Sure. Here's a full YouTube script for you, around 800 words, following your instructions, Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we are diving into the brand new Oppo A35 for 2025. If you are looking for an affordable smartphone with a solid mix of style and performance, stay tuned because this device might be exactly what you are looking for. Starting with the features, Oppo has packed the A35 with some impressive specs for its price range. It comes with a large 6.5-inch LCD display that offers smooth visuals and good brightness levels even under direct sunlight. The resolution is crisp enough for everyday tasks like browsing, streaming videos and gaming without feeling pixelated. Under the hood, the A35 is powered by a mid-range processor that balances power and efficiency. It is coupled with up to 8 GB of RAM and offers storage options starting from 128 GB. For most users, this means smooth multitasking and plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos. When it comes to the camera setup, Oppo has equipped the A35 with a versatile triple camera system at the back. The main sensor delivers clear and detailed shots in good lighting conditions. The ultra-wide lens is great for capturing landscapes or big group photos, while the macro lens lets you get up close for fine details. For selfies, there is a front-facing camera that produces bright and natural-looking images, which is perfect for social media lovers. The battery life is another strong point of the Oppo A35. It packs a 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day of heavy usage. Thanks to fast charging support, you can quickly top up the battery and get back to using your phone without long waits. Oppo has also optimized its ColorOS software based on Android to make sure the user experience is smooth, clean, and customizable. Now talking about the exterior design, the Oppo A35 definitely does not look like a budget phone. It features a sleek and slim body with gently curved edges that make it comfortable to hold. The back panel has a premium matte finish that resists fingerprints and feels solid in the hand. Oppo is offering the A35 in a few stylish colors that look modern and vibrant. The camera module at the back is neatly integrated into the design, giving it a clean and balanced look. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor is fast and accurate and feels naturally placed for quick unlocking. The front display has a small punch hole for the selfie camera, giving you a nearly full-screen experience. Despite being a budget-friendly model, the build quality feels durable and ready to handle everyday knocks and bumps. Oppo has done a great job in making the A35 look and feel like a more expensive device. Now moving towards the conclusion. The Oppo A35 for 2025 is an impressive offering in the mid-range smartphone market. It strikes a great balance between design, performance and battery life. Whether you are a casual user who needs a reliable phone for daily tasks or a tech lover looking for value without compromising too much, the A35 stands out as a strong contender. Its big bright display, strong battery life, decent cameras and smooth performance make it an excellent choice for students, young professionals and even older users who want a simple, reliable device. Plus, with Oppo's reputation for providing good after-sales service, you can feel confident about your purchase. If you are on a budget but still want a phone that looks good, feels good and performs well, then the Oppo A35 should definitely be on your list to check out. That wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like this video and subscribe to FK iPhone for more updates on the latest smartphones and gadgets. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Would you also like a second version that's a bit more energetic or stylish, depending on the vibe of your channel?